Good evening everyone, ito po yan, ang mahal niyang tita mo ni the best creator sa mga gown guys, no? Kaning nagtao guys, the best creator dili sa Judy's dress shop. Ayan, o ang mga mananay ato ato guys, asa ay papa, iya pero to guys, to oy ulayo kay gipadako nako, gipadako guys, magpakuan gud siya guys, wow, som ayan, som yan. Guys, no. Mo ni yang assistant guys kanina kay Slibris og Brown. General assistant ni. O kaning general manager ning naka kuan kanina ka bestidang nice. Mo ni the best creator diri sa Upper Charon guys, no. Loti. Those who are interested guys, no, please come her. Guys, no. Please welcome her Judith Rishap and tailoring. Yeah, the best creator. Any gowns guys, any gown. Any gowns, any t-shirt, anything else, anything else, yan, someone else, yan, no. Mo ni pang UN gown ni guys, no, for tomorrow, yan, no. Kay pare nila, United Nation. Kato sa mao po na the best tailor. Ada ka sila kanay kutob na yung mga machinery, tailor, tailor machine. Mo ni mga the best creator ni sila. Yan. Mo ni sulod tomorrow guys, no, sa parade UN. Parade po mo dito. Back to school na po tomorrow.
Kamu guys, gusto niyo magpatahim mga nindot. Dili na mas Judith Rishap.
Yes. Yan, ikaw na kami. Okay, kina ka muna. Yo. Okay. Okay.
Kamu guys, kung gusto niyo magpatahim mga nindot ng mga costume guys.
Yes.
Dili na mas Judith Rishap. Yay!
Mabuhay. Yan, totoo yan guys, yan, yan sila may-ari kayo, yung may tarpaulin. Yan, yan, no. Dami mga gowns guys, no. Kinsa interesado. Pang UN tomorrow guys, no. Available. Any kinds of design. Someone else, anything else. Hey, yan. Nanan ni dudong guys, nagalo nang sinina kaning risukat. Pwede na, okay na kay partial mi apon. Ay wow, nabistog yung gwapong sinina Hello, yan. Go na. Go. Gana na siya magsalisalig mga beauty contest guys, no. May tagmadala niya tanto bigkada ko, no. Ni maulaw ato musali ni Miss Universe, Miss Philippines, all the pageant kasalian ni. Let's please welcome her, Judith Rishap, no, Taylor. Any kinds, all the kinds, anything else?
Anything else?
You want you want to Abil, you want to Abil any kinds of gowns and many others here hanging here for sale. Yan. Yeah, please see my video. Other here many bags, uniform and canning. Ayan. All anything else that you want to Abil her. Welcome, Judith Rishap and tailoring. Upper Charon guys, Upper Charon Lote, Barangay Kalumpang. Main office, near Ladoran Store. Okay. And Johnar's Beauty Salon. Okay. Okay guys, now don't forget to remember me. Don't forget to remember. Yan. For tomorrow yan guys, no. Ba, ito set out. Sali ako kandidata.
Shout out mami.
Set out. Ngina. Kuska. Kuska daw.
Shout out mama, I love you.
Okay.
Shout out mami from
Thank you.
Dubai. Ano ba?
Thank you for my this tomorrow.
Thank you. God bless and thank you for watching. Anything else, someone else?
Dali ka ni Damian sa lahi.
Basta else.